Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, function. Okay. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng range? Dapat maalala natin din si domain. Now, function in itself, it's like a machine. Sabi natin, it's a cooking machine. So, kung ito yung machine natin, no? Diba? Sa loob ng machine, magpapasok tayo ng ingredients natin. Ang ingredients na pinapasok natin, usually, is related to the variable x. Yung machine mismo nito, say it's the function f. And then, lalabas na output dito is now termed as f of x, which we usually denote with the variable y.
Why?
So, minsan, hindi natin gusto yung niluto natin. I want my money back. So, pwedeng mangyari na meron tayong inimbentong isang machine pa na kung saan, pag pinasok mo yung niluto mo na, since y yung output, di ba? So, ang papasok natin dito, kunyari, si y. Itong machine na ito, since babalik ta rin natin kung ano yung ginawa niya para mabalik yung original ingredients, ang tinatawag natin dyan is the inverse function. Lalabas ulit si x. Notice here, this x here is actually the same as your f inverse of y. Pinasok si x, lumabas si y. Pinasok si y, lumabas ulit si x. Domain is kung ano yung pwede mong ipasok sa loob ng machine. Normally, ano ba yung mga bawal ipasok? Bawal ipasok yung mga pwede mag-cause sa function na undefined. Kailan nagiging undefined ang isang function?
Denominator 0.
Yun, very good. Kaya, for example, f of x natin is x over x plus 1. Pag pinasok natin sa negative 1 sa loob ng function, error, 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 kasi hindi niya maintindihan anong gagawin niya. Pangalawa, that your f of x now becomes imaginary. Kailan nagiging imaginary?
Square root of negative number.
At so, kaya pag sinabi natin f of x is equals to square root of x plus 1, bawal siya maging negative. Kailangan always positive or 0. To solve that, we can say x plus 1 should be greater than equal to 0, which means that x should be greater than equal to negative 1. Kaya dito, ang domain natin dito is x not equal to negative 1. Dito, x greater than equal to negative 1. Pag sinabi natin range, ano naman pwedeng mailuto? What are the possible values of y? Take note, we are getting the range of what? Of the inverse of the function. So here is where you get the domain. Here is where you get the range. Ang domain dito ng inverse function, ito naman yung range. Which variable are we talking about?
X.
Yung range of your inverse function should be the same as the domain of your function. Kailangan natin mahanap yung domain ng function na ito. Sabi natin, di ba, may fraction ka, bawal siya maging denominator na
0.
Tells us that your x should not be equal to
0.
0. Ganun lang kasimple. So the answer here should be your letter B. Sana naintindihan ninyo. Pag hindi pa rin, comment below and we'll try to answer that. Okay?
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung